They say money is in the list. So if you have a massive email list, you can make money from it. But the question is how, right? How can you monetize your email list? How all these email marketing gurus became millionaires by just sending emails to their list. How to be a great digital marketer. Hi guys, my name is Ishan, and in my previous video we have discussed tips to build your email list, and if you haven't watched it yet, you can find a link in the description box or you can click on the I button above this video. Okay, now in this current video I am going to tell you how you can practically monetize that email list and make some good money from your list. Okay, and not just that, in the end I have some of my pro tips for you as I have been using in my email marketing strategies, and they can work amazingly well, so I'm sure you can take a benefit from these tips. Okay, but before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, it will be worth it, trust me. Okay, so the first way to monetize your email list is to recommend other products. Who said you need to manufacture your own products to sell and to earn, when you can earn by simply promoting others well established product to your email list? Yeah, that is possible. I mean, think, you can actually save up a lot of cost of manufacturing or assembling a product. You don't even need to have a buy or resell, and this effective way of make money online is what they call is affiliate marketing. Okay, but these are the few things to keep in mind while doing affiliate marketing via email. And the first thing is, some affiliate platforms like Amazon, they don't actually allow you to place your affiliate links directly into your email. So better check all their terms and conditions of affiliate marketing programs you are going to sign up for. Okay, and make sure you will follow it, otherwise you will not only lose your money but also the time, and or there might be chances that they may kick you out. Okay, another thing to keep in mind is only choose those products that match the interest of your email list, or else you won't be able to monetize it. That means you need to use a product that is targeted to your list. And if you are really looking forward to learning affiliate marketing, you can take a greater dive by watching my other videos on my channel. That will definitely gonna help you. Now let's move on to our second way, and that is sell your own products. So if you are looking forward to selling your own products or building a brand of your own, again email marketing can help, and you can make some good bucks by promoting your products to your well targeted email list. Okay, a lot of folks are doing this these days, whether they are creating handlooms or beauty products or any virtual products, or you can even offer any services via email. Okay, well, if you ask me, I personally prefer digital products, as a digital product saves you from hassle of building and manufacturing of physical products and a lot of time as well as investment. So if you think you have that skill in you, you can create any sort of digital products like ebook, digital courses, or any software product, or offer your technical assistance services, and you can easily sell it if you already have a highly targeted email list. Okay, now the third point and my personal favorite way of making money via email list are solo ads. And for those who don't know what solo ads are, well, solo ads are a paid promotion that you send to your email list on behalf of your client, who pays you commission for every click they get through your email. Okay, so if you have a decent email list and have a high click-through rate and open rate, you can be a full-time successful solo ad vendor, just like many of my students. Okay, and if you want to know more, you can watch my video on how to be a solo ad vendor. The link is in the description box, or you can find it above this video in the I button. And you can even reach out to me via Facebook community. Feel free to ask any questions if you have. Okay, and now another way to earn through your list is create a paid newsletter, and this is a great way to earn in the long run. So if you have some valuable knowledge or expertise in your niche, you can create premium content for your email subscribers. It is just like developing content for a blog or an article. The difference is that here you are writing it in a form of an email newsletter. Okay, so you can earn by offering your premium content to your email list, and I will suggest you can start with a minimum amount so that people can be convinced to sign up for your content. Mostly newsletter charge between $5 to $15 depending on your niche, but it is actually worth it. Also, you can try offering the first month to free to attract your subscribers, and if they actually really like your stuff, they will definitely gonna sign up, and hence it will be a long-term income for you. So all in all, it is a good way to monetize your email list. And lastly, I would add in this list is the fifth way, which is sponsored email. Sponsored emails are just like sponsored blogs. Therefore, many bloggers use this technique of email marketing to promote their affiliate products. Like you can to sign up for an affiliate programs or partner with a brand directly if you have a massive email list and high open rates. Just make sure to write a great email copy to promote your chosen product, and this will actually blow your income. So this was all, and these were the top 5 ways to make money with the email list. But before ending this video, as I promised, I have some secret pro tips for you which can actually help you further in making money with your email list. So the first tip I have for you is it's better to segment your list, as segmenting can allow you to create even more targeted emails in a short, better chances of conversion. Secondly, I will suggest to start selling right from your thank you page. A thank you page of your opt-in page could be your very first chance to interact with your audience and offer them your products. So basically, as people who opt in for your offer are the people who are genuinely interested in your product. So you can actually turn these interested people into your paying customer right there, and then by adding a link to the sales page on your thank you page. All right. And last tip, I will suggest you to focus on upsell. Don't let your subscribers to be a one-time buyer. Always be in touch with your members of your email list and keep offering them your other offer, because once a buyer is always a buyer as long as you keep providing them value, because the chances are that someone who bought you your one product can buy your premium products. Okay, so now we have finally come to the end of this video, and you can use the comment section if you have any query or suggestion on this topic. And at last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be part of my community, I want you to join my Facebook group now. Link is mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now, and I'm looking forward to engaging with you in this group. Okay, thanks for watching this. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Cheers, bye bye.